This is the Teach of the Line dance, country as can be. You begin with your weight on your left, and for one, we're going to stomp. We hold for 2, 3, 4. We stomp 5 and hold 6, 7, 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the way it's choreographed. Sometimes with the music, I like to stomp, heel, bounce, step, stomp, heel, bounce, step. So I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The second 8 is we do 2 rocking chairs. A rocking chair, we rock forward, recover, back, recover, and again, forward, recover, back, recover. With counts, that second 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's add that on from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The third 8, we turn a quarter right and find right and left. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. With counts, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The fourth 8, we're going to walk back. Right, left, left. Then we hop forward. Right, left, clap. Right, left, clap. With counts, that last 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. So let's add that all on to the top. Weights on our left. We stomp 2, 3, 4, stomp 6, 7, 8, rocking chair, turn vine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and forward hop, and forward hop. That's the end of the dance. With counts, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7.